Welcome back to Tool Mentorship, your ultimate destination for detailed reviews and expert insights into the best tools on the market. Are you searching for the best sander for cabinets to take your woodworking projects to the next level? You've come to the right place. Today, we are diving deep into the top 5 sanders for cabinets that are perfect for achieving a smooth, professional finish. From compact tools for detailed work to powerful machines for heavy-duty projects, we've got options for every need. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting your DIY journey, this guide will help you choose the perfect sander for your cabinets. Stick around because we'll review each product in detail, highlighting its features, performance, and why it stands out. And don't forget, we've made it super easy for you to explore these tools. Check out the description box and the first comment for direct links to each product. You are just a click away from upgrading your woodworking game. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tool Mentorship, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our expert tool reviews. Now let's get started with the best sanders for cabinets that you can grab on Amazon today. BLACK+DECKER 1-Decker Mouse Detail Sander. The BLACK+DECKER 1-Decker Mouse Detail Sander is a compact, versatile tool designed for precision sanding. Featuring a 1.2 amp motor, this sander delivers impressive power for its size, making it perfect for detailed work on cabinets, tight corners, and intricate designs. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The dust collection system is efficient, keeping your workspace clean and free of debris. One standout feature is the 3-position grip, which gives you enhanced control for various sanding angles. Whether you are refinishing old cabinets or smoothing out new ones, this sander offers excellent performance at an affordable price. Makita BO 4556 2-amp finishing sander. The Makita BO 4556 2-amp finishing sander is a favorite among professionals for its precision and durability. With a powerful 2-amp motor delivering 14,000 orbits per minute, this sander ensures a smooth and even finish on cabinet surfaces. Its rubberized grip provides exceptional comfort, allowing you to work for hours without strain. The precision-engineered ball-bearing construction reduces vibration and noise, making it a pleasure to use. The efficient dust collection bag keeps your environment clean, while its compact design allows you to tackle both large surfaces and detailed areas with ease. If you want a high-performance tool for a flawless finish, the Makita BO 4556 is a fantastic choice. Bosch Ross 20 VSC Palm Sander. The Bosch Ross 20 VSC Palm Sander combines versatility and power, making it an excellent choice for cabinet projects. It features a variable speed motor that ranges from 7,500 to 12,000 orbits per minute, allowing you to adjust the speed to suit your materials. The soft grip top and ergonomic body design make it comfortable to hold, even during extended use. Its advanced dust collection system captures fine particles, ensuring a clean and safe workspace. The hook and loop disc attachment system allows for quick and easy sandpaper changes, saving you time. With its impressive features, the Bosch Ross 20 VSC is a reliable and efficient tool for any woodworking enthusiast. SKIL Corded Detail Sander. The SKIL Corded Detail Sander is designed for precision and ease of use. Its powerful motor handles both detailed sanding and broader tasks with ease. The sander's microfiltration system captures even the finest dust particles, keeping your workspace tidy. Its lightweight design and ergonomic grip ensure maximum comfort, even during long projects. A standout feature is the pad brake system, which prevents accidental gouges and ensures a smooth finish. Whether you are sanding intricate cabinet details or large surfaces, this budget-friendly sander delivers excellent results. TECCPO Mouse Detail Sander. The TECCPO Mouse Detail Sander is a compact yet powerful tool, perfect for intricate cabinet work. It boasts a 1.1 amp motor that delivers 14,000 orbits per minute, ensuring precise and efficient sanding. The ergonomic design and lightweight construction make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Its efficient dust collection system includes a detachable box for easy cleanup, keeping your work environment clean. Affordable and reliable, the TECCPO Mouse Detail Sander is a great option for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. That wraps up our detailed review of the top 5 sanders for cabinets. Each of these tools offers unique features, making them ideal for various cabinet sanding projects. From the compact and versatile BLACK+DECKER mouse detail sander to the professional-grade Makita BO 4556 and Bosch ROS 20 VSC, here is a perfect sander for every need and budget. Don't forget to check the description box and the first comment for links to these products. Your dream sander is just a click away. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tool Mentorship, and hit the bell icon so you are always updated with our latest reviews. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below about which sander you are excited to try or what tools you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching and happy sanding.